I managed to generate electricity in my backyard soil in just a few hours. Stop tearing up your money on expensive and outdated solutions like power generators and solar panels. You need to know about the new portable nuclear device, which will deliver clean energy to your home or wherever you are. Built and perfected by a decorated soldier, this clean energy device can be operated by anyone, makes no noise or sounds, there's no frequent need for refueling with any type of fuel. This device will provide support in emergency situations, being completely disaster-proof, capable of providing power to any device in your home. Be prepared at home, in your trailer, or at your campsite. Don't depend on anyone. Make your own independent power source. Click to see this device in action and learn how you can still today get your backyard to produce on-demand energy and work for you. Don't wait for later. This video won't appear to you again. Click the button below and watch now.